I'm Marta, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're at a flea market. You won't believe what I found. A subscriber. His name is Dutch, and I was pulled into the booth by the dolls, of course, and I picked up this Bratz doll, and look at this hair. Unreal hair. And Dutch, did you want to tell him where you found her and how you did this?
So she was actually thrifted at a Savers in St. Louis maybe 2 or 3 years ago. She has been kind of customized. She hasn't been repainted, but I believe she was Hair Magic Sasha. I don't know if I'm getting the name correct. But her hair was cut, and so I boil washed it and conditioned it, and I think she looks a ton better.
She's beautiful. All of these dolls he reconditioned. I wanted him to turn this big old Barbie around and show you her hair. He bought her at a thrift store, and he said that his dad was telling me that this doll was really a mess, and he took the time, and we all know what this takes, to fix this doll up. She's absolutely gorgeous. And we just want to wish him a lot of success with his doll venture and thank him for being a guest on our show.
Thank you.
Here is an American Girl doll. Hair is a mess, that doesn't bother me. Has the strings. Oh, tags cut. Face is a little messy. Eyes are in good shape. Fingernails are, oh, that's awful. One's blue, one's pink. But shoes, stand. It's like an extra outfit. $45. $14 for this beautiful girl. $2,000. You also get the ornament. And I came back and bought the 36-inch Barbie. So what did I buy today at the flea market? Of course, I got this beautiful Barbie with her entire wedding set. No shoes, but that's okay. I want you to see this hair and how Dutch took care of it. Oh, it's kind of caught there. I'll mess it up. Look how beautiful. Could be brushed. I just brought her in, and she's been outdoors and in the back of the car. But this hair is so clean and beautiful. That was worth the money right there. And then for her to have her veil and everything, I can just hear Lehman Philpott right now saying, oh man, I would have bought that for $20. I found this Hasbro Battle Troll. He was $1. No way I was going to leave him. Even though someone chopped his hair, still love it. This was probably the buy of the day. I still have not done a box opening on my Sunny Madison. A lady had this at her booth for $10. I thought it was a great price. She had not one, not two, three. So I offered her $25 for all three, and she said yes. What did we say that came out to, Darren? $8.33 each. And I, of course, did not have to pay tax on that because it was a flea market. So great deal. I am going to, boy, they're dusty. I am going to open one of these. We will do an unboxing because I want to, well, I need one to stand with my display. I still have another in the box. But I'd also like to do something else like I did the Onyx Naor. If you have not seen that video, you may be interested in it, where I redid the doll. And then great grandma Marna got some those little pull-up diaper swimming things from a great grandson. We're going to take those to him in a little bit here. This came from a garage sale. I have an idea. Let's just say I have an idea for a video with that. And of course it has to do with goth. And then I got some fabrics, and I don't remember the exact price or how much is here, but this is over 2 yards, and I think it was 3 something. I can't remember, but these were a terrific buy. I got these at the antique mall, and I love the print. This one, oh, I love it. That will work well on my midi Blythe. They have the tiniest bodies. And then at the flea market, this lady had a basket full of free items. And I got these Western items, and I got these for a reason that I hope works. I'm thinking it could be, maybe, I don't know, a Blythe belt, but I don't know. We'll have to see if that goes over her hips easily. But how cute would that be for a belt? Or this one? Oh, love it. I just love it. This is the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave
A like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Bye.